Today is January the 26th, and 5 years ago today. You're shitting me, bro.
Now get the fuck out of here.
Yo, Kobe Bryant just died in a helicopter
No
crash.
fucking way.
2020, I knew you was going to be a bad year. I remember on that day, that morning, I texted my baby mom, and I said, can you stop whatever you are doing right now and bring my daughter to me? Shout out to my guy, my GOAT. I ain't trying to hear nothing outside of it. The one, the only, the Black Mamba, the GOAT, the one and only Mr. Kobe Bean Bryant. Rest in peace to the GOAT, man.